Hey everybody, how's it going? Hey, I need to cut a tree down today. How could I possibly do this? I need to figure it out. Hey, if we're gonna figure this out, why don't we use some math today? Huh? How about some trigonometry? That sounds like fun. So, I got you a formula that is gonna work great to figure out the height of this tree right here. That way we know if we can cut it down and it's not gonna fall on any trees going either way. So the formula is the height of the tree is equal to tangent, or tan, and this we're gonna figure out times the distance away from the tree plus the height to the eye from the ground. So we're gonna use the tape measure to find from the base of the tree to where we're standing to take the angle to the top of the tree. And that's where the tangent thing is gonna go. And then we have to find out what the distance is from our eye, from the ground, to where we're looking up our phone. So, this really cool app that I found is right here. So a Smart Tools app. They want to start downloading it, and then you get this protractor right here. And this is the way that I use it, like this. And then I'm gonna put this end against my eye, or just below my eye, and then I'm gonna look up the side of this. It's gonna be standing over here on this side while we're doing this, and they're gonna read, and then somebody's gonna be standing on the side, and then they're gonna read what the degree is on the protractor. And then that'll go in the brackets from the tangent. Then we'll measure, all right? So first you have to stand back to the point where you can see to the top of the tree. About 22 degrees. Obviously, it moves a lot. Got old Rocky out here. Rocky, did you want to say hi to everybody? Come here. Come here. We got old Rocky dog here. Hi. That's gross. All right, now I got that. So, I made a mark in the dirt where I was standing, and now I have to measure it. So I'm gonna go to the base of the tree. Right here. It's about 20 feet. So about 20 feet. So formula is height of the tree equals tangent degrees, which is 22 times distance. So I'm gonna put it into our formula here. So height equals 22, those are 2's, times 20 feet. Now the next thing we have to do is plus to the from the ground to my eye. So I'm gonna need 6. Oh, that's close.
65 and a half. 65
and a half. We'll just call that 66. 6 inches, that would be 6 is half, so it would be 0.5. So 5.5. Okay, here we go. We've got 5.5. All right, let's do a little calculation here. Calculator. And so here's our form. So tan, so that's this one right here. Right there is tan. Okay, so I'm gonna punch in my 22 degrees, so 22. And then I'm gonna put my other bracket right there. And this is times 22 plus 5.5 equals, so it's 14.38, so 14.4 feet high. H equals 14.4 feet. All right. Now, do you believe me though? That's the thing. So let's test this real quick. All right, so what I'm gonna do to test this, I'm gonna have to climb in the tree. It's gonna go good, don't even worry. I got sandals on and I've got this, no problem, okay? It's a bushy one. Oh boy. All right, here we go. Who chose this tape measure right here? Go down. Go down.
Let's see, 14 and 4 inches.
There we go. See? We did this is for stem. So 14.4, so that we know for sure that this works, so you can trust the science. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this tree, but maybe I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not sure. But if I don't, enjoy your life.